Sorry for the pause. We're going to check out the city. There. And Don Pinita. You see the city? Can you see the city? Another recap. Oh, that's the tower. So far. Ah! Daddy, look at Daddy. Look at that. Daddy, look at your camera. Daddy, I'm gonna sing a song right now. And it is kind of strong. And it will be the truck. Because Gabby and Cassie subscribe. And Cody. Mukbalang. So later, I think in part 3, I think we're gonna make part 3. We're gonna be eating. That time. We'll go back. Oh, secret. Ah! The second one. Oh, I can see it all. Late one night, turn me on. Daddy, you only look at your phone because someone is doing. No. No, meron pa, Sai. Fire in the house. Wait, what are you doing? Go back to the chair. Stay tuned. This will start later on. Okay. I'm gonna show you this area, the entrance. Ganda, diba? My brother's coming. Ah, halika dito! Ganda. Malamig. Anyways, Merry Christmas, Beth! Or maybe there's food or in except. What is except? Tell to Nanay, what is in the grass? Oh, what is in the grass? What? Tell to Nanay. Nanay, Bing, what is in the grass?
There is mga insect.
Oh. Okay.
Or worm.
Ah! Getting warm doon pala. Okay.
That's why sometimes it's getting
Big.
your leg.
Why? That I will investigate.
And then you scratch your legs na later. Makatinan. Diba?
Oo. One night. Ophelia. Feeling so good I'm way back here. This way pala. It's been 4 minutes, I'll stop the video. Oh, about I'm back. I'm making a YouTube channel right now. So, this is my bola.
Oh. Hindi naman naka-cover eh.
Hello. And where's Tatay? My mother's way over there at the last lab. I do not just go into my... Tatay Bon's Bon! So, this,
What's that?
my
You can't see me. It's Bob.
mind the blurring. Just say hi. Wait, one night the into the heart of the fate of Ophelia. Oh, it's so windy. It's literally the middle of December. So this is me. My name is Cassie. I'm 8, and I don't know. In 6 months I will be 9. We're going back. No, wait up! Pagkain na pala! Meron tayo pagkain.
Yung area naman namin kita pa rin eh. Kaya parang mas gusto mong
Malapit nga yung inyo, premium yung inyo eh, no?
Kaya mas maganda eh. Kasi pag dito,
Meron tayong
Pero
pagkain
yung
na
makita mo talaga sila,
sa
yung
Ikea.
nagbibigay sa akin ng
Oh my god, I am people. Wash my belly. Bye bye, pillow. Sorry for throwing you down. Yeah. Boy. Daddy. So yeah, I am going to sit now. Tingnan si Papa. Oh, yeah. And yeah. Cody! You turned into a monster! Oh no! FMB and I running out of time. Let's go. FMB and we're gonna sit down in this chair. We're gonna sit down here. Huh? Ano flavor yun? What's that?
nothing eh, cucumber, you like?
What is this?
Bibingka, you like that?
Okay, try.
Yummy. Oh, is that in your vlog, ah?
Huh?
That's in your vlog, ah? Your food, ah?
We're gonna eat. Cody! Who's that? Sino yun? He told us this is dangerous. I am not dangerous. I am kasama. You know, I'm making a YouTube channel at this hour. I have. Bigil gabi at yeah, tulisan ka mo. Gala. Yeah. Boys. My boys. The boys.
what is the name of your new friend?
This is
Your name, baby?
Roxanne. People, wash my belly. What's your name? Roxanne. No. Can you say hello to the? Yeah, that's it. Wait, my brother's Gabriel. My brother's Gabriel.
He's an angel too. I am not angel.
Miguel.
Miguel. I am Miguel. What about I call you?
Just say hi to just say hi to the YouTube channel.
Hi.
Hi. Bro. New friends happens every day. late one night I took you out. Oh no. Windy. It's windy.
Yan di manulobat ka na niyan kahapon.
Alam ko. So, when the food arrives, I'm going to end right now. When the food arrives, part 3 will arrive. Or when the food will not arrive, I'll still make part 3. Bye!